I'm in dental assisting. It's a 9-month program. You're in school for 6 months, and then you have 3 months externship, which is great because you get experience in the field and then, possible job opportunities. And I know that there was more to me than sitting at the desk all day, so I knew that I had better potential, and I found it here at PCA. Miss Guarino, she is the first person that I met when I was on my, walking interview here. And right off the bat, she was able to tell me anything that I needed to know. She knows dental like it's the back of her hand. So any questions that you have, she's able to answer, and I think that's really helpful, especially having all the experience that she had. She learned a lot, and she was able to pass that along.
I absolutely love this job. I love working with my students. I love dentistry. It's very rewarding, especially when they succeed. They come in and they want to change their life, they want to be something, and then to help them do that is very rewarding. It's my favorite part, to actually see them succeed and get a job and, love their career.
We're in class from 7:55 until 2:35. It's like half classroom time, then half lab work. I definitely enjoy the lab work more because it's more hands-on, and when they're doing the slideshows, you're learning the actual information. And then you come in and they show you, and you're like, oh, okay, it all makes sense now. Well, my parents are my biggest supporters, so there was a point where I didn't have a job and I wasn't going to school, and I was just crying all the time because I was just lost. They were still there cheering me on, like, you can do it, like, you can find something. My mom was like, I'm so happy, like, my heart is just so happy for you that you finally found something that you wanted.
Yes, she's definitely on the right track. She has a good career path going, and she's already, she texts me, she calls me up, could I go to a dentist office? Can I do this for externship? And she's really motivated to do well. She wants to do it, she wants to stay on track.